If you are carrying energy that doesn't feel like yours, this is for you. Let's release what's heavy and reset your spirit. Take this moment for yourself. You're allowed to start fresh right now. Let's begin with a breath. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. Again. And let go. Now, repeat or feel these affirmations. I release what no longer serves me. I'm not defined by past thoughts or emotions. I choose peace over pressure. I let go of fear, anger, and doubt. I forgive myself for what I didn't know then. I am not my mistakes. I am free from overthinking. My heart is open. My mind is clear. I welcome joy and lightness into my life. I am aligned with my highest self. You're not broken, you're real, and you're healing. Let's continue. I choose to move forward. I deserve love and inner peace. I'm in control of my energy. I trust the process of life. I let go of comparison and return to my path. I'm whole, free. Take a final deep breath. Feel the shift in your body. You've done the work. You've let go. And now you rise.